Experiencing power blackouts had long been the norm for Zimbabweans due to depressed power generation. But the country is now energy sufficient following the completion of a China-funded power expansion project, according to Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa.
I'm told now that we have adequate power for the current economic activities in the country. There is no load shedding for now. But we still have other projects which we are designing to increase the production or generation of power in Zimbabwe.
The Huangqi Power Station is the country's largest thermal power plant. Chinese firm Sino-Hydro Corporation undertook the expansion of Units 7 and 8 of the coal-fired power station, which added 2 generators with a combined capacity of 600 megawatts. Unit 7 is already fitting into the grid after the successful completion of tests in June. Unit 8 is undergoing tests and is expected to be available commercially this month or in September.
Topangoya inetsa magetsi tanga tine challenge kuti mu machine ngasingakwanisa usumuka mumaisumuka uyezve pomwe pacho tashandisa ma generator. Saka zvinhu zvangu zvakaoma kuti mari yacho tikwanise kuita sei kuiseva.
We sell perishable goods, so basically we need a constant supply of electricity. When we look at the situation since the improvement of the electricity, we can see that our business is now operating in a better manner